Yeah, Kentucky Goblin right here. Thought I'd do a little short. I'm getting quite a bit of wind here today. And yesterday also. Sometimes it's gusting pretty good. You can see what's blow my chair over, and I got limbs in the yard, and my trash can's blowed over. It's just everything. Sometimes it feels like that wind is getting ready to take the roof off my house. But next week it's supposed to be pretty good, up in the 70s and everything. Kind of have to take it, the bad with the good. That's the way it goes, but we'll make it through, won't we? We got a lot of content in our channel now, and we're putting more up every day. Appreciate those who visited, and hope you enjoyed the stuff we put out there. We try to have a little bit of something for everyone. And all that. We're here in my old garden. And right over there, right over about to the left side of that gate, I'm going to be putting a new garden. If the Lord willing, and lets me do it. But yeah, it's cold out here right now. That temperature dropped quite a bit. That wind ain't helping it any either, so that's that. But I thought I'd do a little short and put a little something out there that y'all know how I'm doing. And like again, I do appreciate everybody who's visiting my channel and subscribed, and just stand by, hit that like button and that notification bell if you want to be known of my future content. And y'all have a good rest of the afternoon, and we'll be talking to you on the flip side. Bye bye.